It's no secret the low price of oil has caused hard times for the oil and gas industry in the region.
There's been a significant impact to really all segments of the business.
So Shell's recent announcement it would move forward with its $4 billion cracker plant near Monaca, Pennsylvania was welcome news.
But as a resident of this region, we fully expect that this cracker, in terms of its ability to employ people and support the industry in its entirety, tremendous opportunity.
Mike Huar is Vice President of Marketing for Columbia Midstream Group. He was one of the speakers at Hart Energy's Doug East Conference in Pittsburgh. Columbia Midstream is one of the owners of the Hickory Bend gathering system that includes this cryogenic plant in Mahoning County.
The facility is really one of the crown jewels of the Columbia Midstream system.
The plant separates dry gas from wet gas liquids such as ethane, a feedstock for the Shell cracker.
Still, producers say whether or not the industry bounces back will ultimately be up to the market.
I mean, the cracker is certainly a huge boost to the economy here locally.
Tim Dugan is the Chief Operating Officer of Consol Energy.
The mix of our development or our activity will really be driven by market conditions.
Consol operates 3 wells in Mahoning County, none of which have produced significant oil and gas.
Right now, what we've got in Southwest PA, what we've got in Monroe County, Ohio, those assets are rising to the top of our list. So when we look at what we're going to attack next, the Mahoning County, they're certainly on our list of assets, but they're not at a point where we're ready to go back there and continue developing. The Utica will end up being, if not one of the very lowest cost horizons that we operate.
Still, Dugan says once the market does bounce back, the potential for the still young Utica is huge.
From a volume standpoint, one Utica well equals roughly 3 Marcellus wells. The Utica has the potential with fewer wells to be as big as the Marcellus.
We anticipate that when price comes back, and that's starting to creep up now, that production will be back to the levels that everybody would like to see.
And when that happens, it won't hurt having a large consumer like the Shell cracker so nearby.
And clearly it can only help the natural gas industry.